clean cooking surface is important for food hygiene and improves barbecue user satisfaction. Please follow the instructions in this video to clean your Christie Cooktop. Please wear personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses. Use a spatula or similar instrument to remove waste and stubborn residue. Turn the barbecue on and allow to heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour water mixed with a pH-neutral cleaning solution onto the cooktop plate. Do not use corrosive or toxic chemicals and beware of hot steam. Turn the barbecue off and let it cool down. Add more cleaning solution. Scrub the grill plate with a stainless steel pot scourer, then wipe down. Do not use mild steel scourers that may contaminate or stain the cooking surface. Rinse and dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. For more information, please visit dachristie.com.